Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQL. So for today, I would like to describe embedded select statements. And in order to make things more interesting, I have inserted few more rows in this item table, but I'm not going to talk about insert into statement today. We are going to talk about select statements. So I'm going to type select item name, units and price from item, and I'm going to execute this code. And as you see here, we have our result: 8 rows, 8 elements. And in order to understand embedded select statement, you first have to understand this select statement in general. So what this actually is: with select command, you are telling SQL that you would like to get some data out of database, you see. And what data you want? You want data table that contains certain columns, and the names of these columns you are going to provide after keyword select. And then you are going to use keyword from. And what this keyword from actually is: it's a certain pointer of direction from where your data is actually coming from. And actually there is your answer. You don't have to provide entire table as a source for your select statement. What you can do, it's actually providing of another select statement, and that select statement you have to wrap with these brackets. So when you type in brackets item name, then units and price from item, where units equals kg. So what is this about? When SQL arrived at this part of the statement, it's going to see that that statement it's wrapped with brackets, so it's going to treat it as independent statement. And what is going to happen in here? We are going to select these 3 columns from item table, but where units are equals kg. So source from this bigger select statement, it's not going to be item table anymore. It's going to be actually item table, but only where units are equals kg. And when we run this code, you see we have this result because source, it's not item table anymore, but item table filtrated with this statement. And you could actually manipulate these embedded statements anywhere you like. So now I could say something like this, where price is greater than 3 USD and order by item name descending. If I run this code, you see that we got only elements with price bigger than 3 USD, and that in descending order. So as you see, these embedded statements are really easy to use, maybe not so easy to master, but if you invest enough time in this, you are going to love it. So that's all for now, guys. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya!